back to Bay Area Garage, guys. It's me, Ro, and today we're here at Andy's Classic Muffler Shop, getting a muffler delete on the IS250.
Muffler man,
My boy Andy. Say
Muffler
hi to the
man.
camera, Andy.
Say hi, Candy.
Hi, Andy. Ah, there you go. There you go.
Come check this guy out. He gives great deals, man.
Yeah.
Take off, man.
What's that?
Take off. Take off.
Take this off?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, man. It's cold, Andy. It's cold, man. It's cold, man.
Hey, buddy, you young, man. You age and don't drive, man.
Oh, no. Y'all don't know about the Bay Area. Cold out here. It gets nice and cold out here, man.
70 degrees. We gotta
70
get the
degrees.
jackets.
It's cold, man. All right, guys. So we're here. We're just gonna get that muffler delete done. I do plan on getting an exhaust later on. It's just for the time being, just to have a little bit of fun, kick it. You know, we'll get that muffler delete, and he's gonna hook it up. I do plan on getting the header, intake, tune, all that done. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Stay tuned.
My man, Andy. What you doing, Andy?
Good, buddy.
What you working on?
Yeah. Exhaust leaking, buddy.
Exhaust leak.
Exhaust leak, buddy.
We're not gonna have any exhaust leaks on the Lexus, right?
Yeah.
No?
No.
No? All right, my man. What you guys think about this muffler? Should we get it? I think we're gonna do it.
No. See, what you guys think about this muffler here?
Oh. Hold on.
Look at this. How about that?
Glass
How
pipe,
that?
glass
Oh,
pipe,
glass
glass
pipe,
pipe,
glass
glass
pipe. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Hold
That's
on.
real
Hold on,
nice.
thumbnail.
Trying to figure out if I want to get tips, if I want to just keep stock tips, but then I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna end up getting an exhaust anyways,
Quad
so
tip
why am I
this
gonna
shit.
waste? I'm gonna waste my money trying to get some tips. when
Quad
I'm gonna
tips.
get a proper exhaust. So
Nice. What you doing, bro?
this here, this is the level of low that I'm trying to achieve. Low. Look at this, man. Look at this.
Nah.
I need that.
Hold on.
I need that.
This needs to be like half the size. What? It's too high still, man. It's too high. Come on, Andy. We gonna start this?
Help me, man. All right, guys, ran into a little bit of a problem. My boy Andy says, I was planning on using stock tips, but Andy's saying that it's way too close and he's not gonna be able to cut them out. So,
On to the
I
tip
guess
room.
we're buying some tips, man.
What do you guys think about that tip? So I guess you said we can't cut it.
All right, man, I think we're gonna make that one happen.
This one?
Fuck it.
All right. All right, Andy.
How y'all feel about this one right here?
Buddy, let me cut muffler first. Okay?
Cut the muffler?
Cut off.
All right, go ahead, Andy. Cut it.
Hold on. I think this one looks nicer.
Wow, this is nice, man.
I like it. I like you. Smart.
Andy,
You smart.
smart.
You smart.
You smart. You loyal.
You smart.
He's smart.
You smart.
He's
You smart.
Because of why?
Let me get the How about we just skip the tips and just
burn.
leave it nice and empty here,
Let's
huh?
just burn everything here because we want to be.
But bro,
Bro.
weight reduction, bro.
Thanks, bro.
You a man, bro.
Bro.
Danny, white guy always say bro.
Why?
What are you doing now, Andy?
Bending
Tell the
it.
people what you're doing.
White guy bro, always say bro. Andy bro.
So-
I need a good deal, bro.
So we bending the pipes here, man.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, bro.
Bro,
Good luck, bro.
Come on, bro.
Bro.
Come on, bro. White guy always say that.
Bro.
Hello. What's up, my friend?
Ooh. All right, guys. Executive decision. This one's ass. We're gonna do this one.
It looks exactly the same.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
look
need
at
to
the
do
outlet.
it. Yeah, I
Just
know.
a
But
little
Danny, you
bigger
need to
and
do
it-
in do out,
not
man.
much
2
nicer.
years, 2 hours.
Bigger is always
Bro,
better.
All the way.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.